folks, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. And today we've got an unboxing video. Unbagging video? Anyway, we're making a video. I got some new beard products to try out. And this is from Kingdom Beard Company out of Pennsylvania. Joel Eck is the owner and he is all over Instagram. So make sure you follow the Kingdom Beard Company. Got all kinds of posts about his products and his apparel that he has. And then also these killer flash sales. So be warned, if you follow him, you will probably place an order pretty soon because he's always having 30% off. Buy this and this and get this free. So it's a good way to get a good deal so you can try more products. He sent out an all call a few days ago about trying to get some people to review his products, and some people suggested that I do it. So I contacted him and he sent me some stuff. So we're going to see what we've got. I don't usually do these unboxings. I'm doing it this time because I don't know what he sent me. So it's going to be interesting to see. A lot of his products are called things that are kingdom related, like the knight, the castle, coat of arms, that kind of stuff. I can't remember all the names of them. I didn't want to look too much because didn't want to get the profiles in my brain. Also, I know he's come out with some new beard butter. So let's see what we have here. Oh, bubble wrap. So satisfying. So this one is beard butter. Guys, this is my very first ever beard butter. We had a discussion the other day about Beard Brand, whether their utility balm is really a beard butter or not. But in this case, this is the first one that's labeled beard butter that I've ever had. And this one is the King. If I remember right, this is the one that Scott from Beard Times with Scott likes. So it's a little bit citrus, but also something more like maybe a bay leaf or something like that. I know this is going to be terrible. So I'm going to do another video or two, depending on what all I have here, and give you another rundown of what we have here. But beard butter, this is very creamy, not exactly whipped, but this is more like cake frosting, if you will. So definitely different than what I have with the utility balm, where you have to kind of scrape it out a little bit. This is going to come right out. It smells good. I'm always a fan of the citrusy kind of things, and I notice he has a lot of those with his different products. Yeah, so a little bit on the citrus side, and then a little bit of something else, like herb related. I'm not exactly sure which ones are in there, but we'll do a follow-up and give you more details. So like I said, I wanted this to be a true unboxing. This is one of the first times I've ever gotten something in the mail that I didn't know what I was getting. So let's see. It looks like I've got a balm and an oil and a butter. So thank you so much, Joel, for allowing me to try out your products. I'll try to do you justice here. So this is the beard oil in the same scent, which is the King. Ingredients: jojoba, grapeseed, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. All right. 1 ounce bottle. Let's see if it smells the same. In fact, this might all be the King. I'm not sure. It smells just about the same. Maybe slightly different, but we'll try all that out. And then I also have the beard balm in the King, it looks like. If I can get rid of the bubble wrap. So we got a 1 ounce balm in the little tin here, and it is a screw top lid. Smells pretty similar. They all smell just slightly different. They all have essences of the same thing. This one you can smell the wax a little bit, and I'm not sure if this is the Stronghold balm or not. But this one does have beeswax as the first ingredient, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. So pretty much the same thing, except for it's got beeswax in it. I'm going to test this out, how strong that's a pretty strong balm, guys, which I love strong balms. Okay, strong holding balms. Yeah, so that's at least a medium there. It may be even higher than that. That's a nice spring, summery scent with the kind of the herbs in it, and a little bit of citrus is what I smell. Let me double check the beard butter if it's got the ingredients. So this one was shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil. So pretty much the same base carriers, but the balm's got the beeswax. The butter has shea butter and mango butter, and then the oils are just, the oils itself with the essentials and not beeswax or butters in it. Okay, so I'm really interested in trying this out. In fact, I can already tell that's going to be a nice spring scent, spring summer scent. All right, but we'll do a follow-up video, and thank you so much for watching. And Joel, thank you so much for allowing me to review products, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.